Did you know you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months? If you didn't, it's actually called Amazon Prime for young adults. So if you're a student or if you're between 18 and 24 years old, you get Amazon Prime free for 6 months and then you get it 50% off after that. If you're not and you don't qualify, you actually still get 30 days free and you can even get up to 50% off through Prime Access. So I'll show you that as well. So if you click the link in the description, it actually takes you to this page. And this page is the Amazon Prime for Young Adults page where you can sign up. You'll have to basically make sure you qualify for whether or not your age range or you're a student, but you get 5% cash back. You get Amazon Prime Video, free food deliveries with Grubhub Plus, and everything else that Amazon Prime offers. Free for 6 months and then half off after that. You can actually scroll down and see the different plans here at the bottom. You've got Prime for Young Adults and Prime for Young Adults for Annual, which is a little bit cheaper even. And then you see Prime Monthly, which is the normal, and Prime Access. We'll talk about that here in a second. At the top here, if you're not between 18 and 24 years old, then you can click on this link right here that says not between 18 and 24 years old. Check out Prime, where you can get a 30-day free trial. And if we scroll down again, we see the Prime Monthly, annual price, and then Prime Access again. So before you sign up for Prime Monthly, why don't you look at Prime Access and see if you qualify? So for those receiving government assistance or in financial need, there's actually this Prime Access, which is basically 50% off of Amazon Prime that you can qualify for. You can get your free 30-day trial and then get that 50% off. All you have to do is select that and then try it and go through the qualification and meet the different criteria. So that's the different ways that you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months, but also free for 30 days or even half off if you qualify.